Good night. My name is Jason Alejandro Torro Pacheco. I am single. I am from Ocaña. I am 24 years old. I am studying in UNAD. I am live in Ocaña. I am my Friday. I am live to play soccer. I got up at 6 in the morning and at practice. I go to the fan day working the after midnight I study. I usually roasting arepa. I work on the farm and the islet goes the Mayon coast. My man makes a lunch. I eat for lunch rice with meat and sign. I come home and teaching the evening. I play football after studying. I have dinner at 7. Usually go to bed at 9 at night. I go off with my family on weekends. I like to go to the stadium to play soccer in tow. The typical for the my city is that roasting arepa.